Good morning, students, and all my teaching staff members. Today, I want to introduce one of the great personality in the Department of Shalya Tantra. It's Dr. Praveen Kumar Patil. He is working as an associate professor in BGS Medical, the Ayurvedic Medical College, Mundarigi. Okay. Actually, is when we need the Kshara Sutra for our college, for our department, when I contact one of my friend, I think Dr. Shivmurthy. He gave his number, and when I contact her, and with wholeheartedly, he gave us the Kshara Sutra for our college, for the patients in the Department of Shalya Tantra. So he's a wonderful personality. He completed his UG from DGM Ayurvedic Medical College, Gadag in 2000. 9 years he is working college. Opportunity for all our students and also the PG students to know about this Kshara Sutra. Okay, I request our Dr. Praveen Kumar S. Patil sir to continue this session regarding Kshara Sutra. Once again, I heartily welcome all of you people, and also I heartily welcome our sir, there's Dr. Praveen Kumar S. Patil sir. Sir, please continue, sir.
Sir, it's not allowing me to share the PPT, so you have to permit me to share the PPT there.
ನನಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
You have to permit me to share my PPT, sir. There you have to permit me. It is saying that only the host can share this meeting.
Sir, security board.
Sir, you know the
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
So, shall I start, sir?
Sir, start ಮಾಡಿ sir.
Start, please.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Sir, ಹೇಳಿ. Sir. Patil sir ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈಗ ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಹೌದೌದು ಆಗೈತಿ.
Hello, good morning to everyone. Sir, am I audible and my screen is visible to you?
ಮಾತಾಡಕತ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್. ಯಾವ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
Hello, sir.
ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಲೈವ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಇದು
Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Sir, am I audible and
yes,
my screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
So, is my screen is visible to you?
Your screen was audible, sir.
Okay. Good morning to everyone.
Sir.
So today I am going
sir,
to talk on
live link
Kshara Sutra. Friends, so the photo you have seen now, that is the SBS AMC Mundarigi College, and this is the Kshara Sutra.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಸ್ಕೊತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
So commonly we know Rakta Mokshana as the Ardha Chikitsa, but at today's practice, most of the Ayurvedic surgeons practicing anorectal surgeries as their Ardha Chikitsa. Their part of half of their work will be on the anorectal work only. So we can say Kshara Sutre Chikitsartha Shalya Tantre Prakirtitah. So we can say like that. Here, the Kshara Sutra is a component of two words. One is Kshara, means alkalinity, and Sutra means thread. So Kshara Sutra is a medicated ceton which is having alkalinity property. This is a surgical linen thread we use. You can see here. This is a surgical linen thread, which is not got any sanskara, and this is the Kshara Sutra. So after doing many of trials, so it's standardized that. So we use number 20 surgical linen thread. Is a standardized thread which is used for the preparation of Kshara Sutra. And alkalinity is brought by the smearing the alkaline drugs over it. Friends, till 1968, there was no any institutional practice of Kshara Sutra. So only folk practitioner used to do Kshara Sutra. Hello.
Yes, sir. Continue, sir.
Sir, actually, I think my screen is not visible now, sir.
So I will check.
Is my screen is visible to you, sir?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay.
Clear, sir. Audible and clear, sir.
Okay, thank you. So till 1968, the only folk practitioner used to use this Kshara Sutra for treating the anorectal diseases. And he brought this method of practicing into institutional level. And first thesis hadn't of Dr. P.J. Deshpande sir, only at Vishuddhalaya Department of Shailatantra, Varanasi. So first thesis came out under the guidance of Dr. P.J. Deshpande in the year of 1968. I can say that was the first institutional practice of Kshara Sutra. So now we'll look into how we have to prepare the Kshara Sutra. In Vaishali Ratnavali, he says, Bhavitam Rajni Churne Snuhi Kshire Puna Punaha Bandhana Sadrudam Sutram Chinnanyasho Na Samshayaha. And Chakrata says, same. So Bhavitam Rajni Churne Snuhi Kshire Puna Punaha Bandhana Sadrudam Sutram Chinnanyasho Bagandaram. So what he says, so we have to do Bhavita with the Rajni Churna, that is.
Sir, please your share PPT, sir.
So PPT is not visible to you, sir?
Yes, sir. Not visible, sir.
Oh, sorry.
Yes.
No, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think I have missed this PPT, no, sir?
Yes, sir. Now visible.
Okay. This is Dr. P.S. Shankaran and Professor P.J. Deshpande, sir. So what he says, Bhavitam Rajni Churne Snuhi Kshire Puna Punaha. We have to do Bhavana with the Rajni Churna, that is Haridra Churna, Snuhi Kshira, that is latex of the Snuhi. So Puna Punaha. So repeatedly we have to do the Bhavana with this. We have to smear it. Why then why he call it as Kshara Sutra? So one ideology is Snuhi is one of the Kshariya Dravya, which is told by Sushruta in his Sutra Sthana 11th chapter 11th sloka. Among 23, the Ksharia drugs, Sasnuhi is one among them. So, classically speaking, there is no any Kshara involved in the preparation of Kshara Sutra. So, and another way of thinking, we can say that Snuhi is one of the Ksharia Dravya. So, latex is used. So, we can say it as a Kshara Sutra. So, as you know, nowadays we are using Snuhi Kshira, Apmarga Kshara, and Rajani Churna for the preparation of Kshara Sutra. But classically speaking, there is no any Kshara mentioned in the classics. So, the only Snuhi Kshira and Rajani Churna are the drugs which are used for the preparation of Kshara Sutra as per the classicals. So, Punaha, how many Punaha? How many times we have to apply? Arkasnuhi Payorliptam Punaha Sutra Visheshayet Trivaran. So, we have to do the repeated smearing about 3 weeks, that is as per the Rasakhamadenu. So, these are the classically available references in the preparation of Kshara Sutra. So, friends, in you might have seen the different Kshara Sutra cabinets. So, one is, we can say, is the vertical cabinet, and some people prepare the cabinet in the horizontal manner. So, this is a vertical cabinet. There is no any standardized method of having the cabinet, but as per the requirement where you are preparing, what is the atmosphere of your surrounding area, based on that you can design the this cabinet. So some people may need fan in it, and some people, as per their atmosphere, this one environment, some people may not need this bulbs which are kept for the generating the heat. So in this Kshara Sutra cabinet, you can see there are different halogen bulbs are there, along with one UV light is there, UV bulb is there. This is the UV bulb, ultraviolet bulb, to maintain the disinfective atmosphere in that cabinet. And these are the halogen bulbs to generate the heat for the quick drying of the sutras. And you can see there are different hangers here which are tied with the 20 number thread. You can see here, these are the prepared Kshara Sutras which are tied on the
Hello, sir.
hangers. Yes, sir.
Sorry for disturbance.
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
This session will end within 10 minutes, and
Oh.
please rejoin with the same link, sir.
Okay, okay, sir. Sure.
Same link will be continued. That's why please rejoin after 10 minutes, sir. It will be ended automatically.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Please rejoin after 10 minutes. Continue, sir. Please continue.
Okay, sir. So these are the thread. So of Kshara Sutra. So you can design the Kshara Sutra cabin with the ultraviolet tube, and if you need, you can put the halogen bulbs, and if you want to monitor the temperature, you can put the thermometer inside the cabinet, and you can put the dryer like fans and all, so which will help for the early drying of the Kshara Sutras. You can see here, I use this ultraviolet tube and this halogen bulbs. So both can be switch on at the same time. And if I am preparing at the summer days and all, so I can use only ultraviolet bulb. As you know, ultraviolet bulb will help for UV rays, will help for the disinfection. So you might have seen in the bakeries and all, over the food item, some people use this ultraviolet rays and infrared rays to disinfect that chamber. So Now means we have discussed about the classical reference of Kshara Sutra and what is the standardized and at present what method we are following. Now we'll discuss about that. So based on the tensile strength of the thread, what we require at the time of the time of the tying of the Kshara Sutra and how much insult it has to face applying the Kshara, applying of the Snuhi Kshira, applying. So after the applying, how much tensile strength it will retain based on all these factors. So is with the multiple trial and error, it has standardized that surgical linen thread 20 is the best for the sustaining the Kshara and for the better knotting property. So this is the standardized material, that is a surgical linen thread number 20. So we have to use this to tie this thread over the hangers, and after that Snuhi Kshira has to be collected. So we have to put a linear cut over the Snuhi, especially in the morning, and whatever the latex comes out of that plant, we have to collect it, and if possible, as soon as possible, we have to take this latex for the smearing. So if you get delayed, so there are the chances of getting knotted. So that latex will become knotted. So to overcome that problem, so soon after the collection of the drug, you have to use it for the smearing. So like that, you have to smear it for 11 times. So care should be taken. So when you are going for the smearing, the previously smeared drug has to be completely dried off. After that only you have to take it for the consecutive smearings. So like that, you have to do 11 times smearing over the thread. After that, you have to go for Apmarga Kshara. So next 7 coatings are used by the Apmarga Kshara, using of Apmarga Kshara. This is the dried collected drug of Apmarga, and this is my own photo, and this is which I have collected from the internet, that is Apmarga Kshara. So it will be is looking like a somewhat yellowish, but it will be either whitish brown or somewhat near to the whitish. So after completion of 11 coatings, once again we start with the Snuhi and followed with the Apmarga Kshara. So like that, we have to go for 11 coatings. So Snuhi act as a binding agent here. So without Snuhi, so you can't coat any of the drugs over the thread. Once the 7 coatings got over, then you can go for 3 coatings of the Haridra. So once again, we have to use the Snuhi, and over that we can put the Haridra Churna. So Snuhi Kshira coatings 11. Snuhi Kshira, afterwards that Apmarga Kshara what we use, that is 7. Snuhi Kshira and Rajni Churna, that is 3 coatings. So total there are 21 coatings comes over the Kshara Sutra. So Apmarga Kshara Sutra, that is Apmarga Snuhi Kshara Sutra, pH comes around 9.3 to 10.5 at 27 degrees Celsius. What are the other sutras or Kshara Sutras what we are using? So other sutras are, we can use Udumbar Sutra, Papaya Kshara Sutra, Swarasa Kshara Sutra, Yava Kshara Sutra, Ghatakumari Kshara Sutra, Snuhi Kshira Extract Kshara Sutra, Aragodari Sutra, Gugulu Kshara Sutra, etc. As per my experience, the commonly used and most effective Kshara Sutras are Snuhi Apmarga Kshara Sutra is most commonly used Kshara Sutra, and Papaya Kshara Sutra is also commonly used because it has in many of the ointments we come across the papain, which is the extract of the papaya. So that is used to for the debridement or desloughing on the infected wounds. So the same property is utilized in the preparation of Kshara Sutra here. So we can use papaya Kshara Sutra. That is also very good result. And Yavak Kshara Sutra is once again having very good result. And I use Gugulu Kshara Sutra. So initially I started with my practice with the Snuhi Kshara Sutra. Just I switched on to the Gugulu Kshara Sutra just because of the easy availability of the Gugulu. Then, hello sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Just I am cross-checking whether I am online or not. That's it. Sir. So, what are the indications of Kshara Sutra therapy? What Sushruta says, so Kshara Sutra has to be used in the Nadi Runa, that is any tubular wounds, especially in the Krusha, Durbala, and Biruna. We have to use the, and Marmashrita Pradesha, we have to use the Kshara Sutra. And he continued saying that it can be used in Bhagandara also. So here Nadi Runa, we can take it as a Bhagandara and any kind of sinuses and pilonidal sinuses. These are the commonly used areas at present where we are practicing the Kshara Sutra. Then how to apply the Kshara Sutra? So Yeshana Gatimitva. So like that he continues saying that. So I would like to show it by the at presently how we are applying the Kshara Sutra. I am taking a simple case of fistula. So we have to give a local anesthesia or short GA or spinal anesthesia depending upon the complexity of the fistula and what you are going to plan it for. So considering this is the Nadi Runa, so under local anesthesia, so I am going to
sorry
plan
for disturbance.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Continue.
But, this session will end within 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
We rejoin, sir, with the same link.
Okay.
And everyone to requesting, please join with the same link. This session will end within 1 minute. Sir, please continue.
Okay, sir. So once anesthesia is first and no complete probing is needed, so I can take the thread out with from the eye and the probe can be retracted back. So this is a copper malleable probe I am using. So with the guiding of the left index finger, I am putting it in and taking out, and after that the thread has to be taken out and probe has to be retracted back. So after that, it has to be tied and allowed for the proper drainage for a few days. So this is about the Kshara Sutra. So if we have any doubts, then you can put your question forward. Is there any questions, any inquiries you can ask now?
Sir,
Yeah, tell me, madam.
My doubt is why we will put a probe.
No. Please bit louder.
Hello.
Yeah.
Is it audible, sir?
Yeah, bit louder, ma'am.
Hello, is it audible?
Sir, can you repeat her question?
Hello.
Tell me, now you are audible.
Why we will put first eye for means while putting probe, why we will put first eye? Because I saw in some like OT, we will put first from the tip.
Yeah. See here, ma'am. See, if I put tip first, no, I have to take out the entire probing through this. So this is a very superficial fistula. So that's why you might not, you may not feel much of difficulty. But when it is deeper, then taking the probe itself, it is a bit discomfort, causes a discomfort to the patient when you are operating under the local anesthesia. And you can see there is no any much difference in the diameter of the eye and the body of this instrument. And even I have made the this eye as a blunt here. So there is no any much difference in the eye and the tip here in this instrument. So if you have to bend and take out completely, so that is not needed. So only take the thread and remove that probe, that is more than sufficient. With this holds important. This holds important when you are operating under the local anesthesia. So when you are operating under the spinal anesthesia and all, there is no any added advantage of this method.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Any other queries? At the meantime, I would like to thanks Principal Dr. K.C. Das sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity to, and Dr. K.M. Sidlingmurthy sir, Dr. Chandrakant Budni sir, and the other faculty of Department of Shalyatantra, Sri Vijay Mahantesh Ayurvedic Medical College, Ilkal. So I am once again thankful for all of you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. And I run a YouTube channel called Skill Ayurveda. So most of the Kshara preparation method and Kshara Sutra application method, which I have posted in the YouTube. If you require, then you can go through this channel.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
I'm very much thankful to Dr. Praveen Patil, sir, for his wonderful guest lecture regarding the Kshara Sutra, sir. It's a very good response, sir, from more than 100 students and lecturers and PG students watch this guest lecture, sir. It's a very good response from our students and also students from the Chellikere College and Manvi College and also from our college also. It's a very good response, sir. And in future also, we need the same support from you, sir.
Sir, definitely, sir. It's
Once
my
again, I'm
pleasure.
thankful to you, sir, on behalf of management members and also our staff members and my students, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you, sir. Chanagi, sir. Wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
More than 100 students join ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ.
Okay, sir.
ಇನ್ನು ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ ಸರ್.
Sure, sir.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ನಾವು ಶ್ರೀತಂತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕರೆಸ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಮಾಡೋಬೇಕಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಲೈವ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಷಾರ ಸೂತ್ರ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಷಾರ ಸೂತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
Okay. So this was just online, and so I was a bit fast in this presentation, sir, because I knew that it will end up after 40 minutes.
Yes, sir.
So I was a bit faster. So kindly excuse me if I am.
No, sir. It's really fine. Really, it was very good.
Okay,
and very informative and helpful to all the UG and PG students, sir. Thank you, sir. And I'll also extend my vote of thanks to all the participants of this web series. Thank you one and all. Thank you, sir. ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ಮೇಲಲ್ಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ನಾನು ಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಸರ್ ತಾವು ನರಗುಂದ ನವಲಗುಂದ ಸರ್ ಇರೋದು?
ಸರ್ ನಾನು ನರಗುಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಸರ್.
ನರಗುಂದ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. Thank you very much.
And click ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. End.